I worked in the US for about 2 years, and for the last 6 months, I've been working in Germany. So here are some key similarities and differences that I've observed in the work cultures. In Germany, people prefer to start early and finish early. So in America and all other places, culturally they work a 9 to 5, but in Germany, they actually work a 7 to 3, which I think is far better because then you have all of your afternoons to yourselves and you can do much more in a day. 40 hours of work per week is the baseline expectation in Germany, just like in the US. I don't know why the rest of the world assumes that Europeans don't do any work. Yes, the work is much slower paced and much chiller, but they still work 40 hours a week. I also happen to know people who work 12-hour shifts in a day and they also cover the weekend. So this whole idea of work-life balance in Germany is a bit too sugar-coated. It's true what they say about bureaucracy in Germany. It literally runs in their blood. I work at a startup company in R&D, as in research and development, but in Germany it's more like research and documentation. भाई इतना तो हम काम नहीं करते जितना उस काम documentation करते हैं. So I've also worked in corporate biotech in America briefly, and इतना documentation तो मैंने वहां नहीं किया भाई GMP के लिए जितना मैं startup में छोटी से छोटी चीजों के लिए करती हूँ. Germans like to plan extensively months ahead. What projects we're gonna do throughout the year, what activities we're gonna do as part of the project, what are the materials we need for the project, and the exact cost of the materials that we need are budgeted. When we're gonna do it, and by when I don't mean months or weeks, I literally mean the exact dates, the exact days of the week, and the exact time in the day. It all needs to be planned out. Even in the US, they do extensive planning and documentation, but I think Americans are more open to being spontaneous and more receptive to last minute changes. Excessive planning does not hurt anybody, but being spontaneous is just as important because sometimes things don't go according to plan. And sometimes you just have to quickly learn from your failures, readapt and re-execute. And I think just this one difference in philosophy is the reason why R&D in America progresses much faster than it does in Germany. And I'm gonna burst your bubble when I tell you this one, but I, like many others, used to believe that exploitation did not exist in Germany, but unfortunately it does. I happen to know people with a master's degree in STEM working STEM jobs for minimum wage, and some of them even work below minimum wage. Even on minimum wage, these guys are paying insanely high taxes. And saving the best for the last, unlike the US, you cannot get fired in Germany because of their strict labor laws. There is one catch when you join a new job in Germany. For the first 6 months, you are on probation, and in this period, you can get fired for the pettiest reasons. After probation, the only kind of shit that can get you fired is if you actually physically beat someone up. Otherwise, you're chillin'. So that's it for this video. I would love to hear what you guys think.